Experiencing a blinking orange light on your Rogers gateway? This indicates a problem with your coaxial cable connection or the signal it's receiving. This usually means the gateway is struggling to maintain a stable downstream signal from the Rogers network. Think of it as a signal loss or coax fault. This can be due to several factors, including signal strength issues, loose cable connections, or external interference. While Rogers has released firmware updates to improve signal detection, these issues persist, particularly in areas with aging infrastructure. The good news is, most of these problems can be troubleshooted at home. First, perform a physical check. Ensure your coaxial cable is securely connected to both the cable in port on your Rogers gateway and the wall outlet. Avoid any sharp bends or kinks in the cable. Next, reset your gateway by unplugging it for 30 seconds, then plugging it back in. Check for any interference from nearby electronic devices or splitters. If the blinking continues, you can use the Rogers app or website to run a signal test. As a last resort, Rogers customer data shows 80% of coax issues are fixable at home, and you may need to contact support.